Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of importing a UDP custom config file using the HTTP Custom VPN app. Whether you're aiming to enhance your browsing speed or improve security, this guide has you covered. If you find this video helpful, make sure to support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's get started. First, let's get the required UDP custom config file. Open your browser and search for UDP and slow DNS files. Locate the official link in the search results and click it. On the website's homepage, expand the menu by tapping the hamburger icon at the top left corner. From the menu, select UDP config. A small window will pop up with an option labeled HTTP custom file. Click this to go to the download page. Once the 10-second countdown finishes, click the download button. Then, on the next page, choose the latest HTTP custom config file, click on it, and download. It'll save directly to your device's storage. Now, ensure you have the latest version of the HTTP Custom VPN app. Head to the Play Store, search HTTP Custom VPN, and install the app if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app to begin configuration. On the app's homepage, tap the plus icon to open a drop-down menu. Select Open Config, which will bring up your device's download folder. Locate the UDP custom config file you downloaded earlier, select it, and confirm the import. Within seconds, the file will be successfully added to the app. Now that the file is imported, you're all set to connect. Tap the Connect button on the home page, and within moments, your VPN connection will be established, giving you a secure and fast browsing experience. And that's it! You've successfully imported and used a UDP custom config file with the HTTP Custom VPN app. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.